The shoulder stand to shoulder roll is one of those moves that people often see for the first time and go, no thank you, until they actually try it. Then it normally ends up being their new go-to for every single routine. So let's break it down. We're going to start sitting on the chair backwards, and we're going to bring our legs up over the back of the chair. It's really, really important that you point your toes and you keep your weight towards your feet. The last thing you want to do is for the chair to tip backwards. So to avoid this, you're really going to think about tucking your butt up under the chair, pushing it as close to the back of the chair as you can, squeezing those knees and really pointing those toes. From there, take your hands to the front legs of the chair and you can lean back. Even though you're leaning back, you really still want to think about keeping your weight towards your feet. Then you can kind of play with leaning back and bringing yourself back up to seated. The next step is to lean all the way back, rest your head onto the floor, and then slide your butt off as you drop to your shoulders. Careful not to crunch onto your neck. You can then bring your legs off of the chair and bring them up high in the air. You want to pull that chair into your lower back to keep your legs up. If you let that chair slide out from underneath, you're going to slide down. So we want to really keep that pressed into our lower back. Level 1 to come out of this is that you're going to just sink down and kind of push the chair out of the way with your legs. For level 2, we're going to do a back shoulder roll. So let's try this first just on the floor without our chair. Think about rolling back and getting those hips up into the air. We're going to look towards the shoulder that we're going to roll over. It's very, very important that you do not roll over your neck. Take your opposite hand, plant it over your head, and I can use my other hand to prop my hip up to help me get that push over. When you're ready, we're going to slide back down off of that chair into our shoulder stand, play with some fun legs here, and then again, keeping those hips nice and high. To get out of it, we're going to do our shoulder roll. And always, always, always add a big hair flip. I love a good hair flip. The third way that you can get out of this shoulder stand is by coming back up onto the chair. You just want to make sure that you, again, bring your weight as far over to the back of the chair as you can so that it does not tip. I'm pulling myself back up onto that chair, weighting those feet down, pointing my toes, and then I can sit up. Try some of these fun variations. I love using a chair in any way I can other than just sitting on it. And once you try these, you'll feel the exact same. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure that you like and subscribe for more fun tips like this. We put out videos every single Wednesday that help you get stronger, learn new fun moves, and grow in your aerial journey. Let me know in the comments what other kinds of videos you would like to see from our coaches here at the Moxy Movement. We'll see you on the next video.